Good afternoon, student. How are you all? Yes, all fine. Good. Very good afternoon, beta. Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, Bittu. So, have you all taken lunch, student? Okay, that's great. Good. Today's weather is so good, na, student. Even I feel so good today's weather. Yeah, I feel really hot due to summer vacation. You all feeling na, but today's weather is really good. Yes. So come on, let's begin with our classes, right? Yes. Okay. Now you all are familiar with the burning of candle and coal, student. This is the burning of the candle and this is the coal, right? Are you familiar or not? Yes. No, okay. Yes. So if they have a notice between the difference between the burning of candle and a coal, any difference? Yes. Any difference between the burning of a candle and burning of a coal? So yes, you have seen the differences. And what's the differences? What you have noticed it? Yes, that the candle produces flames, but coal doesn't. Okay. Coal basically produces some dust particles or some small particles are there, right? Yes, Praful. Yes, Dipali. Right. Okay. Suppose student, I will do one. If I suppose I will do one activity here. Okay. If I take a matchstick and I will burn the paper. Okay, like this here. Then what you are observing, student? What you are observing in this image? Yes, the papers are burning. Okay. Other than that, smoke is coming out. Yes. Okay. And then if they could see light produced from burning. Yes. And if I will bring my hand near the burning paper, then what I will feel, student? Yes. Heat. Yes, right. I will feel heat. So today we are going to study about the topic as combustion. Okay. Yes, because whatever we are going to study about heat, about light and all that comes under the combustion process. So what do you know about the combustion? Anything, students? If you know, then please share with me. Yes. Yes, student. Yes, combustion is the process in which it reacts. Okay, fine. Which reacts with oxygen. Okay, Swati. What about Sandeep? Sandeep, are you in class or not? Yes. The substance that undergoes combustion is called as the combustion. Alright. Yes. Yes. So, a chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to give off heat is called a combustion. That is why when I burn the paper, I feel heat. So quickly, we will do this activity, student. Quickly go and bring one matchstick and one paper. Okay, quickly. I am giving you 1 minute, just go. Alright? Now, see who has bring the matchstick with and paper. Good, good Swati, Suman, Bittu. Now I will do. See, see how it's burning, right? And I feel feeling so heat. My God, in the summer season, na. Yes, see how we feel heat when I do this, right? Yes. So this is a chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to give off heat. It's called combustion. The substance that undergoes combustion is said to be combustible. It is also called as a fuel. The fuel may be solid, liquid, or gas. Sometimes light is also given off during combustion. Okay, sometimes light is also given off during combustion, either as a flame or as a glow. Just now you have seen flame in the form of the candle, right? That is also a combustion, or as a glow like light. Yes. So in the reaction mentioned above all the examples comes under as a combustible substances. So what is combustible? The substance that undergoes combustion and is said to be a combustible, right? And even combustible is also called as the fuel, right? So student, little Buzo has a question for everyone, right? That we were told that food is our fuel for our body. How does this fuel work for us? Yes, like car needs petrol, the same way what we need. How does this fuel work for us? Yes student, little Buzo has a question for everyone. We were told that food is a fuel for our body. How does this fuel work for us? Yes. All right. Student, just give me a 1 minute. I am closing my door. Actually, lots of air is coming. Yeah, the side weather condition is really bad. Yeah. So, little Buzo has a question for everyone. We were told that food is fuel for our body. How does this fuel work for a student? Yes. Come on. Yes, because of the digestion processes, right? Yes, with the help of when our food get digested, then we feel full, right? Yes, good, right. Now, a chemical process in which a substance reacts with gas to give off gas is called combustion. Yes, a chemical process in which a substance reacts with gas to give off gas is called combustion. Yes, quickly respond, student. Yes, respond. Don't be a lazy. Yes. So, a chemical process in which substance reacts with oxygen to give off heat is called combustion. Right, Bittu, Dipalipuri, Swati, Suman, Praful, all are right. Yes, Sandeep and Ramesh, you too. Right. Now, so strangers, now you have learnt about combustion process. So, do you think that all the substances catch fire and burn? Yes. Do you think that? that all the substances catch fire and burn? No. Why? What's the reason behind this? Why or not all the substances catch fire and burn? No idea, student? Anyone? Come, don't feel shy. Okay, no problem. For this, just watch this video, okay? Okay, just give me a second, student. I think there might be some issue with that. Okay.
I think we should explore a few solutions.
Grammarly suggestions catch when your tone might undermine.
Yes, student, please observe this video.
Types of combustion. Spontaneous combustion. If a substance burns itself due to contact with air, then the combustion is called spontaneous combustion.
Sorry, student. Once more, please give me one more minute. Yes.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we discuss combustible and non-combustible substance. We also discuss what is combustion. So let's start. When substance like candle, LPG or wood are ignited, heat and light are produced. Such a reaction in which heat and light is produced is called combustion. Substances like candle, paper and coal burn. When ignited, these are called combustible substance. Substances like stone and iron nail do not burn when ignited, so these are called non-combustible substance. The substance which burn to produce heat and light are called combustible substance, and the substance which do not burn in air are called non-combustible substance. Some other combustible substances are paper, petrol, diesel, kerosene and CNG. They produce heat when they are burned. And other non-combustible material like cement, sand, brick, aluminium and copper.
Yes, students. So what you have observed in this video, please come up and share. Okay, Sneha have observed about combustible substance and non-combustible substance. Okay, what is combustible substance? Yes, that substance that burns in air and produces heat and light. Okay, good. And more point, that a substance that burns in air and produces heat and light upon burning is called combustible substance. Okay, example, diesel. All right, and the substance that doesn't burn. Okay, fine, good. Now, that the substance that burns in air and produces heat and light upon burning is called a combustible substances. For example, diesel, petrol, kerosene, and the substances that don't burn in the presence of air are called oxygen are called as non-combustible substances. For example, glass, stones, etc. Alright. Suppose if I will take one paper matchstick, and if I will take one glass and matchstick, then which one will be burned, student? Yes. Come on. Yes, you are right that paper will burn but glass will not. That means paper comes under combustible substance, petrol, diesel, kerosene comes under combustible substance, and glass, stones will come under non-combustible substance, like, right? Yes. Now give some more examples of combustible and non-combustible substances, student. Yes, come up which you think that this is the example of combustible and this will be the example of non-combustible substance. Yes. Yes, Sandeep, Ramesh, Bittu, come. Straw, alright. That is combustible, non-combustible? Combustible, alright. What about glass? Non-combustible. That's great, student. Now, please come up. All the students speak up and do tell me that which one is combustible and which one is non-combustible, right? Yes. So tell me, wood, combustible or non-combustible? Combustible, alright. Paper, combustible, non-combustible? Combustible. Iron nails, combustible or non-combustible? Non-combustible, okay. Kerosene oil, combustible, non-combustible? Combustible. Stone piece, non-combustible, okay. Straw, combustible. Charcoal, non-combustible. Matchstick, combustible. Glass, non-combustible. Very good, students. So you have understood. You got the content very correctly. I feel good. Yeah, right. So just like you have learned, student, about the friction, that the surfaces of two the friction required two surfaces, right, for the frictional force to occur. So does combustion also require something to occur? Yes. If for the friction two surfaces required, then do you think so that for combustion also two surfaces are required? Yes. Two things or two materials or two things are required. Yes, student. Yes. Okay. So if they can mention any conditions required for combustion, what can be the factors, what can be the necessary things which is necessary for the combustible? Yes, student, come on. Yes. There must be an oxygen or air must be there. All right. Okay. Yes, right. Okay, students. Good. Now you have to wait. Watch one video, okay? Oh no. Okay, fine. This much is only required. So little Bozo has a question for everyone. We have read that the sun, but okay, student, but before that, yeah, the condition under which combustion takes place are presence of combustible substances, presence of supporters of combustion oxygen, attainment of ignition temperature. Okay, these three things are required: presence of combustible substances, presence of supporters of combustion oxygen, and attainment of ignition temperature. Yes, now little Buzo has a question for everyone. We have read that the sun produces its own heat and light. Is it also a kind of combustion, student? Yes. Do you think so? That it's also a kind of combustion or heat? Yes. Come on. Okay, good point, student. Very good point. Right. Now, list conditions under which combustion can take place. You have to give conditions under which combustion can take place. Yes, presence of oxygen. Alright. That means presence of combustible substances. Yes. Presence of supporters of combustion, that is oxygen. Okay. And attainment of ignition temperature. Good, Samir. What about the Pali Puri? The answer will be the same. Answer is same. Yes. Alright. Now let's end this class. Today we have learnt about combustion, about combustible, non-combustible substances and condition required for combustion. Right. Now it's your homework. Make a list of all the items present at your home that are combustible and non-combustible. Is CNG combustible? If yes, why? And why is oxygen needed for the combustion process to occur? Now, you have to do this activity. You have to take a piece of paper and a thin wood stick, burn both of them with a matchstick. While starting to light fire to both of them, observe and count how much time each of them takes to catch fire and come up with the results in the class. Right? Thank you, students. Have a great day. Just enjoy. Okay? But revise your classes also. Bye-bye.